Mary and I was all content. Honestly speaking. From getting her engaged, getting her married, the pregnancy, the childbirth, everything was all content.
Hey, my people, Lord of Lemon don confess. Una no Lord of Lemon na. Wey be say he with Mary and another lady dey come dey do say dem be husband and wife, this one the other one na so Mary born for am. He don confess o. I go put the video for una make una watch o. When I see the video, I say me, hey, I first dey think am say na con ten t dem dey do before. Na con ten t. He say na con ten t o. He say the baby wey be say Mary dey talk say na so he come get belle, na so he born. He say na lie o. He say everything wey he dey do since, he say na con ten t. Maybe he don like he no wan do the con ten t again, na make am come confess. Make I put the video for una make una watch. Please help me to love and like and share. No be everything wey you see for media you dey say everything na true. No, some dey dem wan use am take do con ten t, say like make people follow them, you understand, and all those things wey be say dem with untouchable dey do that time, na understand, all those things na con ten t. Lord of Lemon don confess. Na bye bye o.
Mary and I was all content. Honestly speaking. From getting her engaged, getting her married, the pregnancy, the childbirth, everything was all content. And everybody that was part of the content were paid handsomely. We are just doing business. It was business, strictly business. But eventually, he got into some certain kind of things that I wouldn't want to be saying right now. And I'm tired. I'm tired of the contents. I'm tired of everything that is going on, honestly speaking. This is me coming out, voicing out my mind, my true self. We're not married. We're not dating. We just did business. And this business we did, she was heavily paid. What am I even saying? Everyone that actually did this business, everyone earned good income from it. Now, why I'm tired is my obviously my life is at risk. My life is at risk. My life is at risk. The threats. I know. No, of course, I believe in God. Yeah, sure. But the threat is too much. The blackmail, the insults, the disrespect. No problem. It's all my faults. It's really all my faults. We're not dating. We're not married, and we have no kids or child. She was not pregnant. She was never pregnant. For me, I just feel this is a bold step. Yeah, I just feel this is a bold step, and I have every reason why I am doing this. I have every reason. This is me being honest right now. I have every reason why I'm doing this, and I know yes, some people will judge me, and of course, majority of the people were aware that it was just a content. I mean, I do see the comments. I see people laughing. I see people, we know it's a content and we enjoyed it. I know. People know. But people just want to believe. And probably some people enjoyed it, right? And why some people were like, okay, it's a content. We know it's a content, but you guys are really together. This is it. We are not together because this thing is actually turning into, it's turning into another thing. And I'm sick and tired. I'm sick and tired of everything. Please, if there is any way I have wronged you through this content concerning Mary and I, that's Lemon, I'm deeply, truly sorry, honestly speaking. Because if I don't speak, I feel nobody's going to speak for me. So I have to speak for myself. I have to speak for myself. I don't want to go more further because I feel the other side, it's literally none of you guys' business. But I feel you guys, yes, you guys have the right to know. I mean, some of you know, but you guys have the right to still know. That's why I'm telling you guys all of this. Everybody, I mean, especially my crew, made money from this particular content. They made millions from this particular content. Anybody we want challenge me, make them come outside. I'm ready. Enough is enough. I'm scared of my life. I mean, I'm still a young boy. I'm trying to hustle. I didn't steal from anybody. I'm trying to hustle. I'm an actor, a content creator, and I influence, right? So what I did was a content with Mary, everything with Mary and Lemon. Everybody in the house with my crew was a content. And everybody was paid. Everybody made money from it. When I say millions, I mean millions. So please, I know I'm saying all of this stuff. And I mean, this is a part one of this video because I know with time, definitely with time, I know myself because right now, I suffered. Like I literally sacrificed myself for people. Like I sacrificed myself, my career, because I was bashed for like close to 3 years, or let me say 2 years plus. But I don't want to blame anybody on that. I put it on myself because why? I want to earn a living. I want to earn a living. It is not easy for me. It is not easy for anybody. And I said, okay, this is the way I want to make my money. Through what? My content creation. And I know for sure that a lot of people are aware about it. So please, I'm begging you guys from the depth of my heart. If I've wronged you guys, probably you guys think I was shouting at her in the video, or I was talking to her anyhow, or she was talking back at me, or we're not insulting ourselves. Please, it was all scripted and it's a content. I beg of you guys. Because right now, everybody want to move on. I personally, I want to move on. I'm sick and tired. My life is at risk. Honestly speaking, I'm sick and tired. My mental health matters a lot. You see, peace of mind. Honestly, life is not about money. But I thank God and I'm grateful for the position that I am today. But life is really not about money. I am sick and I'm tired. If I wear clothes, people know they know what they pass through. Now packaging. As you see me so like this now. For my house, this is not how I dress. Like if I want to be in my house, this is not how I dress. Right? Now packaging. Nobody can force me into a relationship. I helped people. I literally sacrificed myself, my career, my image to build myself and other people. So I am tired. Honestly speaking, I am tired. And all I have to say, it was all a content. I never maltreated her. Nothing like that. She never maltreated me. In fact, with this, they were not our real family. It was all scripted. So I beg you guys, from the depth of your hearts, if I have wronged you, for those of you that think it was real and it was happening real, right? If I have wronged you, please forgive me and forgive us. Please. We're just trying to survive. And this is the only way we can survive. Please try and understand. Try and understand. Please. And I beg of you guys, you can share the video. But I know that this video is going to go viral for sure. I know. but you can still help share the video. I suffered though, just because I want to make this money. I was bashed for like 2 years plus. Let me just max it 3 years. But God knows the best. But we're not married, we're not dating, and I don't think we can ever be. We can never be in a relationship. She has gone her separate ways. I'm starting my life afresh. Everybody that was part of the content, they were all paid on a regular basis. When I say regular basis, and everybody made millions from it. Everybody, my crew, made millions from it. And I know some, yes, for sure, yes, it's a content. I'm not scared of it. I created a content, but I know I owe some people an apology. And that is what I'm doing right now, because I want to move on with my life. I am tired. The blackmail, the insults, the embarrassment. I sacrifice myself. I sacrifice my name, my craft, my dignity, my image for people who are actually benefiting from this same content. And right now, I think it's about to be a movie. It's about to be a movie. You guys should just sit down and relax. I'm not going to rush it. I'm going to take it gradually. But I repeat, I'm not scared of anybody anymore. I did what I did. Yes, I accepted it. But I'm begging. Please forgive me. You that believe that it was a reality. Meanwhile, it was not. I'm sorry, please forgive me. I want to move on. Everybody want to move on. Please forgive me, forgive us. Thank you. And please share this video. Of course, I know the video is going to go viral. But please share the video. God bless you all.